My name is Rebecca Andrews, and my children went to Class Source in 2016. Then we moved away. Now we're back. And a little bit about me. I have 3 boys. My oldest is 21. I've homeschooled them their whole time. And before I had children, I was a public school teacher. My specialization is English with a specialization of reading. So I like the little guys, but I also like the big people because I like the books, get into the nitty-gritty of it. My oldest son is at Florida Poly right now. He's a junior in electrical engineering, and he's already had 1 paper published by IEEE. So whoever was worried about their kids getting further educated, I think homeschoolers actually have an advantage. My youngest will be a junior, and he'll be coming here, and he's kind of my motivation for teaching. But he's older now, and I like the little kids as well, so they asked me if I would be willing to teach some of the little classes, and I said absolutely. Anybody here have a K through 2nd grader? Yay, good. One of the classes I'm going to be teaching is 5 in a row, and I'm really excited about that. I'll be reading a book, and then y'all can take it home and do all the fun crafts and all that. We'll be doing crafts in class as well, and we'll be doing 1 book a week, and it's kind of a unit study. If you're familiar with that, you do science and math and history and language arts, and at that grade level you may even throw in phonics. So that's 1 course I'm teaching. Then the next course is about a 3rd through 5th grader level writing class, which is all things fun and fascinating with IEW. It's a really fun class. They read about all different kinds of things, from stinking plants to space to you name it. There's everything in this all things and fun and fascinating. We go up to Unit 7 in that course, and so by the end of the course they will have a multi-paragraph paper several of them that they have written at that time. Then I'm going to be teaching 2 high school classes. The first one is called Rhetoric of Love, and I felt like this was a really good class for the time that we're in, because it seems like we're in a rhetoric of hate right now, and a rhetoric of domination and cancel culture and all of that. And this book is called The Rhetoric of Love, and it talks about how God wants us to use our words to influence people in a righteous and a good way, as opposed to trying to dominate people and hurt them in some way. And so the course is a high school course. It's very interactive. So the kids who take this course will be writing. They could be giving a speech, they could be writing a television commercial. There's all sorts of things that we'll be doing, and they get to choose what they want to do generally every week. There will be like 1 major kind of assignment per semester that they'll need to do, probably a speech. But we'll go through the entire book of Rhetoric of Love. That will give them probably an elective of speech, and probably not debate. We're not really going to go into the debate. We're just really going to focus on how to communicate. Tying in with that, though, is a upper level high school writing class that I'm going to be doing for college prep. It's for 11th and 12th graders, and we'll be kind of going beyond the 5-paragraph essay. We'll be going to talk about literary analysis and critiques and that kind of thing, and just kind of taking it to that next level, hopefully preparing them really well for the college courses that they'll be needing. Then, like that's not enough, I don't know what I'm doing to myself. I have 2 clubs, and the first club I'm so excited about because it's a Magic Treehouse club, and all the kids are going to read the Magic Treehouse books. We've got 1 through 28 lined up, and they can get it from the library or buy the set or however they want to do it. They're going to read the book, then we're going to come and we're going to do fun stuff with that book. If it's about dinosaurs, we may do a dinosaur dig. If it's about moon, we may make moon rocks. I don't know. All sorts of crazy fun stuff that we'll do in the club while we're talking about the book and getting feedback from everybody. So it's a real interactive way of enjoying those books. And finally, the last one that I'm going to be doing is kind of fun, and Crystal said that it's open to adults. So if you have a child that's in a club and you're just sitting there in your car or whatever, you might want to take the class. I don't know. It's penmanship for adults and teens. And that is actually kind of an issue today because we all type, we don't write. But there are some cases where, one, we may need to write more legibly, and two, we need to write faster. And this course, it's not really a course, but the club that we're doing is going to help us do that. It's just little fun exercises that we're going to do to help us have better looking writing and faster writing. And that's it. That's all I've got. I've got my books. If anybody wants to look at any of the curriculum that I have, you're welcome to come get me if you have any questions about it as well. And thank you.